Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg for noodles. First, let's master the soft-boiled egg. Bring a small pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully lower 1 or 2 large eggs into the water. Cook them for exactly 6 to 7 minutes to achieve that perfect jammy yolk. Once cooked, immediately transfer the eggs to an ice bath. This crucial step stops the cooking process, ensuring your yolk remains beautifully soft and runny. Now, let's elevate your soft-boiled eggs with a delicious marinade, often called agitama. Combine 1 part soy sauce, 1 part mirin, and 1 part water. After your eggs have cooled completely, carefully peel them. Submerge the peeled eggs in this flavorful mixture. For optimal taste, allow them to marinate for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight in the refrigerator. This infuses them with incredible umami, perfect for your noodle dish. If you're short on time, a quick fried egg is an excellent choice for your noodles. Heat about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, crack 1 large egg directly into the pan. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until the egg whites are fully set but the yolk remains wonderfully runny. For a slightly crispy edge, cook it a little longer on medium-high heat. Finally, for a lighter and elegant option, consider a poached egg. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, ensuring it's not a rolling boil. Add about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to the water. This helps the egg hold its shape. Crack 1 egg into a small bowl, then gently slide it into the simmering water. Poach for 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk, ideal for stirring into your hot noodle broth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.